Sydney, Reuters. Asian shares were subdued early Monday ahead of a week packed with major economic events, while the euro was briefly shaken by signs a German political deal on immigration might be in trouble. Oil prices also took an early spill in the wake of President Donald Trump a Euro trademark's tweet that Saudi Arabia had agreed to lift oil production by a euro maybe up to 2 million barrels a euro. O/R. The missive was later downplayed by the White House and Saudi press agency. Brent crude LCOC1 was down 78 cents at $78.45 a barrel, while U.S. crude fell 69 cents to $73.46. The pullback was modest given U.S. crude rallied more than 8% last week, while Brent gained more than 5%. In share markets, Japan's Nikkei.N 225 dipped 0.2%, with a survey of manufacturers showing sentiment had darkened a shade in the face of trade war threats. MISI, a Euro trademark's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan. MIUP J0000 PUS was a fraction firmer in early trade. The index shed 2% last week as trade concerns clouded the outlook for Chinese growth and pressured asset prices there. Tension is growing ahead of a July 6 deadline when the US and China are due to impose $34 billion of tariffs on their respective imports. A euro or eth key risk for the market isn't a euro trademark that Trump actually implements his trade threats, but rather that a protracted period of trade uncertainty begins to weigh on economic activity, a euro said analysts at JP Morgan in a note. A euro or eth evidence suggesting this is happening is far from conclusive, but ominous data points are accumulating, a euro. A survey out over the weekend showed Chinese manufacturing activity cooled a little in June as export orders fell. The official purchasing manager saw Euro Trademark Index, PMI, eased 51.5 in June, from 51.9 in May. A slew of readings on manufacturing across the globe are due later on Monday, while the US ISM report is out on Tuesday. Minutes of the last Federal Reserve policy meeting come on Thursday, and the week closes with US payrolls for June. A deal, or not? In currency markets, the euro took an early knock on reports German Interior Minister Horst Seehofer had rejected a migration deal German Chancellor Angela Merkel negotiated at a European Union summit on Friday. The currency then bounced on news Seehofer had offered to step down as minister and as chair of his Christian Social Union, CSU, party. The move makes the future of Merkel Euro trademark's government even more uncertain as her Christian Democrats Party, CDU, relies on the CSU to maintain power through a coalition formed 3 months ago to end a political vacuum. After all that, the euro was a fraction easier at $0.1672 euro equals, having skidded as far as $1.1632 at one stage. The US dollar was still a touch weaker on a basket of currencies at 94.607.DXY, having recoiled from a 95.324 top on Friday. It was steady on the yen at 110.72 JPY equals after failing to clear stiff resistance around 110.94 last week.